I honestly think our salvation is in good educational institutions. That's what we've got to build. We have got to have good institutions. We have got to have good teachers. We've got to have motivated parents, and that's what we need. My dear friends, this was a labor of love. Sitting in our offices, seeing patients, and after every patient, making a phone call to a friend in Pakistan, tada yo kam thyo kon thyo, Pearl Continental arrange thi ya kon thi, card thaya ya kon thaya. There are so many people that I need to thank, and without them, this would not have been possible. Let me start by thanking our team in United States. Nur Nisa, Asim, Sarfaraz Abbasi, they have been the backbone of this convention throughout. And there are times I hate this man, but there are times I love him. Ijaz Turk has been absolutely wonderful. Mujhe phone kare, ter mujhe chh phone kaya jami ke dah phone kaya mo mushtaq ke mujhe kono tho mile ma jo ko an shwab uste ke to phone kare yo program natha kariyo yo thindo ikon. Then he would do it all over again the next day and do it all over again. Thank you, Ijaz. Of course, I have named the friends who have helped us. Mazhar Saab, I don't know, I'm sure he has left, Mazhar Siddiqui. He was an inspiration. Whatever, whenever we called him, the Iho Manu Khape, how do we do this and where do we get them? For example, contacting Jahangir wasn't the easiest task in the world. He said, don't worry about it, I'll get it done. Just consider it done. But he was very, very gracious. Thank you, Sai Mazhar Saab. Zulfikar Hale Poto, thank you very much. Shahab Usto has been just wonderful. Thank you, Da. I cannot say more about Jami. Thank you, Jami. I mean, without you, this would not have happened. I mean, it's as simple as that. As simple as that. Muzaffar Panjo, Fayaz Naich. This is just the beginning. That is our hope. This is the beginning of a dialogue. Don't let it fizzle out. Let's continue this dialogue. Let's talk to each other. Let's come to solutions, and then let's solve the problem. Before I forget, this man, I just cannot understand this man. Ko mano bina ke maqsad je kane kuch kon kando. Jami kayo because jami ke mazo to che ek alyu karan. That's what he does. But Masood Baloch had absolutely no interest in Sana. Whenever I called him for anything, he was always there. Before we finish, how do we finish this convention? Mujhe khayal mein Shah ji Vaisa. Thanks to the media, of course. Thank you very much. I've been on the stage too often. Excuse me. And sorry for inconvenience. Yahan ka galat gaal thi ho je. Again, as I said, this was labor of love. Masar.
साना जो नहायत शुक्रगुजार हैं ते साना कन्वेंशन अमेरिका में क्या से आई अजो को साना कन्वेंशन कराची में सिंध समूरी सोन सिंध सजी सुरहान सिंध समूरी सच सिंध खथूरी अखाण सिंध भिटाई घोट जी सिंध भिटाई असाण मौज भरियो महराण मियां सदा वहे सिंध में सिंध तुझो शान सिंध तुझो शान छा गाए तुझी पाक पणीअ खे सुरमो करे पाया नचीनी हुन भाया हो भला निर्मल वॾे नाज़ सां मियां ओ सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा ख़ुदा जो कसम सिंध में त इहे फीलिंग्स आहिनि पर सिंध खां ॿाहिरि वञिजे थो त इहे फीलिंग्स अञा तमामु पंहिंजे महराज ते हूंदियूं आहिनि सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां हिकु कलम हिकिड़ो मां कीअं पूरो पवां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां तुंहिंजे माण्हुनि खे सीने में साढो वतां तुंहिंजे माण्हुनि खे सीने में साढो वतां तुंहिंजे लाड़नि लयुनि खे बि चंदन चवां शाल तुंहिंजे कुख मां पियो हर हर ॼमा शाल तुंहिंजे कुख मां पियो हर हर ॼमा खीर तुंहिंजो पियां वीर तुंहिंजो थियां वेर तुंहिंजो वठां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ही मिसरा रिकॉर्ड ते नाहे थरज थू हर मथां झंग झर ते लिखां थरज थू हर मथां झंग झर ते लिखां मींहं जी बूंद ते साए सर ते लिखां मींहं जी बूंद ते साए सर ते लिखां ॾाटे को डर खुरे घोबे हर ते लिखां ॾाटे को डर खुरे घोबे हर ते लिखां तुंहिंजो नालो वठी तो ते लिखंदो रहां तो ते लिखंदो रहां शाल छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां हुआ जा बेवस बुखल ते मढ़े मंड थी हुआ जा बेवस बुखल ते मढ़े मंड थी अजब जो टे असुर जो उथी जल्द थी अजब जो टे असुर जो उथी जल्द थी जागरम खीर में पई गॾे खंड थी जागरम खीर में पई गॾे खंड थी उन सुहागिण खे मां कीअं न सजदो करिया उन सुहागण खे मां कीअं न सजदो करिया कीअं न सजदो कयां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां हिकु कलम हिकिड़ो मां कीअं पूरो पवां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां लख लाइक अल्लाह साईं तव्हां सभिनी खे आबाद रखे San Francisco.